Hi everyone, I'm Jessie Granlund, Partner Account Manager for ClickDimensions, and in this video I'm going to talk about some of the rich email marketing features you have available to you using ClickDimensions, and also touch on how the data and statistics are brought back into CRM and how you can use this data to send out very targeted marketing campaigns. I'll also touch on how our unsubscribes work. So I'm going to go into the live environment and show you this demonstration here from our production environment and CRM Online. I'm on this email send record here, and every email that you create and send will have an email send record when you're using ClickDimensions. So this is where you're going to be able to see statistics on deliveries of your emails, opens, unique opens, clicks, unsubscribes, bounces. But also if I click into any of these, this is where you're going to set the email properties, so who the email is going to. And recipients can be any combination of your leads, your contacts, your accounts, or your marketing lists, and those marketing lists can be dynamic or static. You'll want to say when this email is going out. You can choose to send it right away, or you can queue it up to send it on a later date. Who do you want this email to come from? It can come from the record owner in CRM, or you can put any general alias you'd like here, or from the user creating the email. You can tie all of your web content, all of your email sends, everything that you do in ClickDimensions to a CRM campaign, and that really gives you a way to do some aggregate tracking on your all-up campaign results. And this is where you'd attach your email templates that you've created using ClickDimensions. So this email send record is also where you'd actually initiate the sending of the email. Before you do that, we have tools like spam testing. So what this will do is actually test the content in your email. It'll help you along with the wording. So while your email is in draft mode, if you want to know how likely this is to end up in a spam filter, this will help you along with that. Of course, you can clone these emails if you want to build something similar but don't want to start from scratch. You can hit clone here. You can initiate split testing. So split testing gives you a way to test two different versions of an email with a small sample size. This gives a marketer the ability to test these versions and automatically send out the winning version, essentially. So the idea is you're going to keep strategy A as you've already created it, and you can change something small in strategy B. So maybe on strategy B you just want to say Happy Holidays from ClickDimensions, whereas in strategy A you're going to say just ClickDimensions November newsletter. You can change who this is coming from. You could change if it's coming from the record owner, you can change that. You can even test entirely different templates. So once I hit next, this will bring me to the email as it appears visually, and you can make any changes on the email itself. So maybe you want to change the background color from orange to blue on strategy B, or you want to swap out an article or put an image of a boy instead of an image of a girl in this to do the split testing. We're going to leave it the same. We'll just hit next, and what this does is it brings you to a bar that represents 100% of the marketing list, the leads and contacts that you've attached to the email send record. So this represents about 4,600 people in the marketing list, and you just drag and drop to choose your sample size. So in this case, we're sending 10% of the marketing list to strategy A, we're sending 10% of that marketing list strategy B, and after whatever length of time that you determine, maybe it's 3 hours and 4 hours, whatever is appropriate, after those 4 hours, the winning version is going to automatically be sent to the remaining 80% of your marketing list once you hit send and save. And you can determine whether the winning strategy is based on unique click rates or unique open rates. So that's split testing. The email send record is also where after the fact, after you've sent out your email, you can come back in to see some statistics on the email. So if you want to see email statistics, you can come over here and you can see performance in terms of deliverability, interactions with the email. If you want to see social statistics, you can see how people are interacting with those icons that you put in your email. So this is how many people shared by Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google+. And then when I scroll down, here's a news feed of everyone in my database who are leads and contacts who interacted with their social communities. And then over here you can see what icons or what network that was on. So other things that you can do in the email send record is you can pull a click report. And so this will break down your email and show you every link that you have in your email, and show you by unique clicks and total clicks what the more popular links were. So if I grab one of these popular links, 117 unique clicks. It will generate a sub-report that shows me every lead or contact in my database who interacted with that link. And these are all connected as well. So I can go right to someone's lead and contact record from that report, and if I also scroll down in the marketing section, not only do you see the statistics from an aggregate view, but you're also going to see all the statistics from a lead and contact perspective as well. And what I mean by that is if I go to sent emails on this contact record, I can see every email that was sent to this contact through Click Dimensions and their individual statistics on how they interacted with the email. I can also see every email event tied to this person, so if I want to see every click from an email, I can see that kind of report. And email events are really every open, every delivery, every click, every interaction with the email. We track them all separately. So let's get out of the contact record here. And that is all the functionality that you'll get in the email send record. So other ways of seeing the statistics coming in through email is through sent emails. So this is different from the email send record. The email send record will give you statistics on the email as a whole, whereas the sent emails is every email from an individual basis. So you can see these are all statistics tied to an individual. And then here's where we track all email events separately. So this again is every delivery, every open, every click. And then you can use CRM to set your views to see this information however you want. Maybe specifically we want to see just the February newsletter clicks. You can use CRM to set that kind of view. Maybe I want to see every click to see what the more popular links are in all of our emails. You can do that kind of reporting. And lastly, on this video, I want to talk about unsubscribes. All of the unsubscribes are managed by Click Dimensions. If someone clicks on the option to unsubscribe, Click Dimensions will create a global unsubscribe record in your CRM for the recipient. The do not allow bulk email field on the lead and contact record will also change to do not allow. And the next time you go to send any email through Click Dimensions, we'll scan the recipients in your marketing list to see if their record is marked as an unsubscribed. And if that's true, Click Dimensions will exclude the recipient from the mailing, and that person will never receive an email from Click Dimensions again. So now you've seen some of the premium email features. If you have any questions at all, please contact our partners at CRM Dynamics.